Welcome to C++ programming. Let me introduce myself. I'm Adrienne Milner. I have been programming for over 20 years now. I hate to admit that. I've spent many years in industry. Most of that time in industry, I spent programming in C++. So you've definitely chosen a language to learn that is highly desirable in industry and one of the dominant languages just out there. I first got into programming because I had a Nintendo as a kid and I loved computer gaming. Sadly, I don't get to do much gaming anymore. So if there's any other gamers out there and you have got some great games, please let me know about it. I'd love to hear the latest and greatest in the gaming world. I actually got into teaching a bit because I teach game programming classes as well. So I really hope to see some of you in later semesters in those classes as well. We've got a great semester ahead of us. Lots of coding and programming, of course, and some great discussions. So have a great start to the semester, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me or post to the discussion board. All right, thanks.